Welcome to RSEHS Academy. Salient features of India REACH regulation, that is Indian Draft Chemicals Management and Safety Rules 2020. Introduction. Indian Draft Chemicals on Management and Safety Rules has gone through several amendments, and the latest draft amendment was published last year in August 2020. These rules provide for notification, registration and restriction or prohibition, as well as labeling and packaging requirements related to the use of substances in mixtures, substances in articles and intermediates placed or intended to be placed in Indian territory, and introduce REACH-like registration requirement to certain for more than 1 ton per year priority substances. The rules are also known as India REACH. There are several schedules defined in this. These are appended schedules. The draft rules include several very important schedules, and they are listed below. Schedule 1, PBT and VPVB assessment criteria. Schedule 2, list of priority substances required to be registered. Schedule 3, concerned authorities. Schedule 4, substances exempt from notification and registration. Schedule 5 is for information to be provided for notification. Schedule 6 is on restricted or prohibited substances. Schedule 7 is for contents of technical dossier, and Schedule 8 is format for chemical safety report, and Schedule 9 is for safety data sheet. Let us go to the background of these rules. European Union initiated REACH regulation and implemented few years back to strengthen chemical management and control pollution. Similar way, other countries like China, Korea also started implementation of similar type of regulations. Indian Draft Chemicals Management and Safety Rule is published in 2020, and it may be called as India REACH regulation. There are several steps. First step is notification. All manufacturer or importers or authorized representative acting on behalf of foreign entities shall notify National Chemical Authority of existing substances that they have placed in Indian territory in quantities greater than 1 ton per year. The notification is scheduled to start 1 year from the date of enforcement of the rules and end 180 days after their commencement. After this period, any substance not notified will be considered as new substance. Information required includes basic information about notifier, identity of the substance, its uses, the quantity of the substance. New chemical substances shall also be notified before they are manufactured or imported to India. There are some substances exempt from notification and registration. They are listed in Schedule 4. Second step of this process is registration. All manufacturers, importers and authorized representatives in the case of foreign manufacturer that they have placed or are intended to place in India territory a substance listed in Schedule 2 in quantities greater than 1 ton per annum must register such substance within 1.5 years from the date of inclusion of the substance in Schedule 2. Schedule 2 is a list of priority substances required to be registered. There are currently 750 hazardous substances on the list, including benzene and methanol. For the registration, a technical dossier consisting of physiochemical properties, toxicity, ecotoxicity data and chemical safety reports for 10 ton per year substances only need to be submitted. Third step is evaluation and restriction or approval. The priority substances unit of the authority shall evaluate the available data to assess if a registered substance poses an unacceptable risk to human safety or the environment during various uses in India. If the risk is not acceptable, it may be proposed to restrict the use of such substances or prohibit such substance. The list of restricted or prohibited substances is listed in Schedule 6. Currently, only one substance, phosgene, is restricted. Further to the evolution and restriction, priority substance is defined as any substance which falls under any of the following hazard classification of the 8th revision of the United Nations Globally Harmonized System of Classification and Labeling of Chemicals, GHS Revision 8, a carcinogenicity and or germ cell mutagenicity and or reproductive toxicity and categorized as category 1 or 2, or B, specific target organ toxicity, repeated exposure or single exposure category 1 or 2, or any substance which fulfills the criteria of persistence, bioaccumulative and toxic, or very persistent or very bioaccumulative as set out in Schedule 1 of the rules, or any substance listed in Schedule 2. Import of priority substances or hazardous chemicals. Upon completion of the relevant registration and notification requirements, an importer of substances listed in Schedule 2 or hazardous chemicals in India shall submit to the concerned authority at least 15 days before importation of such substance in quantities greater than the lowest of 1 ton, the quantity specified in column 3 of Schedule 12 and column 3 of Schedule 11, information pertaining to the name and address of the person receiving the consignment in India, the port of entry in India, mode of transport from the exporting country to India, name and quantity of priority substances or hazardous chemicals being imported, and all relevant product safety information including safety data sheet. Labeling and packaging. A manufacturer, importer or downstream user shall ensure that all priority substances, hazardous chemicals and mixtures containing more than 10% by weight of any priority substance or hazardous chemicals comply with labeling and packaging requirements. A manufacturer, importer or downstream user shall ensure that all product identifiers, hazard substances and pictograms, signals, words and precautionary statements used in the label of priority substances that they place in Indian territory shall be in accordance with the 8th revision of the United Nations Globally Harmonized System of Chemicals, that is UNGHS Revision 8. Thank you for watching. Note, the video is highlighting the salient features of the proposed rules. You have to read the whole draft regulation.